Hi there, I'm Carolyn and I paint mandalas. This video is one way to find the center of your circle. It's not the only way, but I find that it works well for me. The key to a beautiful mandala is finding the center of your circle. It is the foundation needed to create a symmetrical mandala that will draw you into its center. Enjoy. The first thing we're going to do to get started is we have to find the center of our circle. These are the tools we'll be using to find the center of our circle. We'll need a chalk pencil. I use these Yoke erasable chalk pencils. And you'll need a ruler. You'll need a compass. You'll need a protractor. And with those tools, we can find the center of our circle fairly accurately. I'm going to draw two lines, also known as chords, on this piece. Both measurements should be the same. So I'm going to measure that at 12 inches. And then I'm just going to make a line across here. And I want the midpoint. So that's at the 6-inch line. Protractor. And we just want to draw a 90-degree angle. So we're going to get a pretty straight line. Okay, so I'm going to draw a little nick up here at the 90 and one end down at the opposite end marks. And you can draw the line all the way across, but really what we're looking at is in the center here. We want to get that line. Okay, so I'm just going to put one like that. Now I got to find one more chord. So I'm going to go along here and I'm going to find 12 inches from side to side here. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to give my midpoint the 6 inches, and then I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm just going to line that up again, and then I'm going to give a nick at the 90 and the 270. And then I want to draw that line through. Just make sure you're on all your points. This should get us pretty close. Okay, so that there is going to be our center point. Now in order to check that, I typically take this and I find that midpoint, just about there, and I come out to the edge. And I just want to make sure that all the way around it's going to be at the edge. And now it is really pretty bang on. Okay, so I'm happy with that. And at this point, I'm going to take off my other lines because I don't want them distracting me. So now we'll start taking off these other lines that we don't need anymore. Okay, so our next step is to get a straight line down through the center of that circle. And it doesn't matter where you do it. And if you get your pencil in the circle first before doing it, you're going to be pretty good at having being right in the center. So there's our first line, and now we're going to put our angles in. So again, we're going to take this and we are going to make sure everything is lined up, and then we're going to mark out our degrees. How many slices of the pie do we want on here? And you can do it at 10 degrees, at every 20 degrees, every 30 degrees. We can do it at 22.5, which will give you 16, I believe, sections. Important. So we are going to I'm going to go every 10. There. Okay, so I'm gonna mark off at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, same thing all the way around. And now it's just a matter of making all those lines cross through the middle. So let's go up 90 degrees. Again. Split that again. Down through the middle. And again. And we'll just keep doing those. Okay, so now we're going to draw our circles around. I don't have a specified amount of space that I do that in. I just start, and I tend to make more probably than most people because I just like having lots of guidelines in. So I'll start with my small compass, and as soon as I can I'll move on to my larger one. About now. Just make sure your pencils are sharpened. Get right there in the right hole. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, we'd love it if you would click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. My name is Carolyn Dunn, and my husband Brian and I are the artists at Dunn Reimagined Designs. We both love the serenity and the centeredness of creating mandalas with dot art. We also do other things like we upcycle furniture, hand paint mirrors, wall art, rocks, jewelry boxes, elephants, turtles, and more. So we've decided that it's time to share some of the tips, tricks, and knowledge that we've picked up along our artful journey. Hopefully you'll think that's a good idea too and watch our videos. Thanks again. Have a great day.